Problem number 8. I need to make baby blankets and want to buy some material. Which is a better buy? So this is another unit rate problem. We have two rates, $28.40 for 8 yards or $51 for 15 yards. If we turn these into unit rates, we'll find out the cost per yard and we'll know which is the better deal. So we just need to do this, the division, $28.40 divided by 8. How many 8s in 28? 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Subtracting, I get 4. Let's line this decimal up in our answer. Bring down the 4. How many 8s in 44? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtracting, I get 4. Bring down my 0. How many 8s in 40? 5. So the unit rate would be $3.55 per yard for this first deal. For this other deal, we have $51 for 15 yards. Line up a decimal in our answer. How many 15s in 51? 3. 3 times 15 is 45. Subtracting, I get 6. And bring down a 0. How many 15s in 60? 4. And there's a 0. So for this deal, it's $3.40 per yard. So that's clearly the better deal. Less cost per yard. So there's our better deal. Problem 9. Lily bought a dress at the mall which was on sale for 40% off. If the dress was originally priced at $120, what was the sale price that Lily paid? I'm going to do this a couple different ways. First, let's do a percent bar. The original price is $120. So that's 100% of the price. 10% of that $120 I get from 100% to 10% by dividing by 10. So 120 divided by 10 is 12. 120, there's my decimal, divide by 10, move the decimal one place to the left, 12.0. So $12 is 10%. And then from once we know 10%, we can find 40% just by recognizing that 10 times 4 is 40. So 12 times 4 is $48. But that's not what the question's asking. It's asking what was the sale price. So the sale price would be the $120 minus the $48 off. The 40% discount, which is equivalent to $48. So subtracting, we get $72. So the answer is $72. I also want to show how you could do this with a proportion. We want to find 40%, which is 40 over 100. Remember, percent is out of 100. 40% equals how many dollars of the $120 that the dress costs. So bat and ball. There's the bell again. Multiply the bat, 120 times 40. Divide by the ball, which is 100. 120 times 40 is 4,800. Divided by 100. Dividing by 100, get rid of those two zeros, so we get $48, which is the same thing we got here. You subtract that $48 from the $120, and you'll get the same answer for the sale price, $72. See if we can get number 10 in. Nope, we're not going to be able to get that one done. So we'll pick up the review with number 10 on the next video.